everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would please subscribe, and also I'd like for you guys to hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when I upload new videos. For a few months I'm not going to be on a set schedule, so you don't know when a video is going to come up. Just as I feel like it, just as I'm feeling good, I'll put a video up. So anyway, today's video, I was just so excited. I got two great things in the mail today, and this is one of them. I got my Ipsy Plus. Is that what it's called? I can't remember. Yeah, I upgraded Ipsy, so I think it's the Ipsy Plus. And if you see me look around, Charlie is just kind of bouncing around. That's my cat, if y'all are new. My cat is just bouncing around. So let's get this thing open and see what we got. I should have opened it ahead of time. Got it. Got it. Oh, ooh, I don't know what's in here. For once, I've been kind of a good girl. Alright, hey Ipster, your March Glam Bag's here. Glam Bag Plus is here. Alright. Ooh, okay, let me, I'm going to start with this because look, I got the Huda Beauty Mauve's Obsession palette. You guys know who've been with me a while, I love Huda Beauty. I love Huda. I have all her big palettes, and I do have several of the little palettes. I don't have the mauve one. I didn't buy it because I felt I probably had those colors in other palettes. But for, I don't know how long now, since these first came out, I keep going back and forth in my head. Do I want to buy this palette? I'm going to get it. No, I'm not. Yeah, I'm going to get it. No, I'm not. It's been in and out of my cart on Sephora. I can't tell you how many times. So, I got it. Yay! I'm so excited. Let's look at this. Oh. Yep. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I am so happy to get that. That matches what I have on. That is beautiful. So, I am excited about that. This sells for $27. Don't even need to look that up because I know how much I like Huda. Alright, now, I have got a, I bought some things. I bought some extras. So I got to figure out what my extras are. The add-ons, I bought add-ons, and I think what I just picked up was an add-on. Let me go by my list to see what I got in my box, and I'll show you my add-ons. Real Her I Am Adaptable Matte Liquid Lipstick. Sorry, my hands are shaking. Sorry. The color I got is I Am Adaptable, apparently. Is that the color? With Real Her, I think that's usually how they do it. Yeah. It's a red. Look at that packaging. I hope you can see that. Look at the lid right there. What do you think? You gonna come over and say hello? No. You gonna come over and say hello? Yeah. If you see a cattail, she's around here. Let's watch this. Oh, beautiful. There's the swatch. Let me smell it. I don't smell anything. So, that's nice. That's a nice red. I'll just go ahead and throw that box away. That sells for $14. I like Real Her products. Come here. Oh, get you in my good hand. Here's this Charlie. Can you say hello? Can you say hello? Yeah. Okay. I like Real Her products, so I'm excited about that. Next, Benefit Dandelion Shy Beam Liquid Highlighter. Nude Pink Matte. Alright. This sells for $26. Let me get rid of all the packaging while I'm here. This is what it looks like. And again, I'm sorry, I'm shaking. I'm not 100% today. Oh, that's pretty. It's got like a nail polish type brush applicator. There we go. Let me kind of, yeah, that's going to be nice. That looks nice. You can see that? All right, next. What did I get? Perlice moisturizer. Perlice. And that's what it looks like. Can you see that? Let me hide my face. There we go. I think you can see that. All right. And what does it say about it? Perfect Daily Moisturizer. It's probably just a basic moisturizer. It has the safety seal on it. Do I want to take... You know what? I have a ton of moisturizers. I'm going to be real. I have a ton. So I think I'm going to pass this on to my sister Alice. She and I were talking about skincare, and I think I'm going to give this to Alice. So I'm just going to leave it in the box and not open it and just pass it on to her because I have so many moisturizers. And now Farrah 5-piece. That was $45, by the way. Farrah brushes, 5-piece eyeshadow brushes. There we go. This set is a $50 value. Wow. So let me get these out. They feel nice. Oh, here we go. Wow. I like how they feel. There we go. I'm shedding a little bit, but they feel nice, so I'm excited. These are really nice. Feel good? So I am happy with that. So let me add up this box. $162 is what I'm adding up. I could be off, but that's basically what I think I'm getting. I could be wrong. I'm not thinking clearly today, but that's okay. So what I got was the moisturizer that I'm passing on to my sister, these eyeshadow brushes, the Dandelion Shy Beam from Benefit, the Real Her lipstick, and the Huda Mauve Obsessions, which I am most excited about. I will, at the end of this month, review everything I got in my boxes and bags, except for, like, I'm not going to review this. And then I will tell you about it in a review video. Now, what I purchased with Ipsy, you can now buy extras. Some things are $12, some things are $3, and you can pick out 3 items. And I think all 3 of mine were only $3. I didn't get a $12 item this time. So I got an Ofra highlighter, because I love Ofra highlighters. So let me open this up. I don't know how much this originally sells for. This is the old packaging, so that's probably one of the reasons why. So this is in Star Island. And like I said, I just love Ofra highlighters. There we go. Beautiful. So I'm excited about that. And then I got 2 more brushes because I just love brushes. So this one is by Chic, C-H-I-Q-U-E, and it's a blush brush. It feels really soft. That feels really nice. And then this is a Moda Pro. Moda Pro is owned by Royal and Langnickel. And I love Royal and Langnickel brushes. So this is Moda Pro BMX 465 Precision Angle Brush. There we go. So that's it. That's everything. Thank you all for watching. And like I said, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Let me know what you got in your box, and let me know if you got any add-ons. What did you pick out? So, again, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.